welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. My today's video is on a newly launched product from Maybelline, and this is their Python Metallic Lip Kit. Now this is what it looks like, guys, and you need to take a moment to see this beauty out here. This is such a pretty packaging, and this was recently launched in India, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on it. And if you love to try out different and unique lip products, then this video is definitely for you. Before proceeding with this video, I will just like to request you guys to take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss a future upload from me. And now let's just get started with the video. So guys, this is the outer packaging. All of these lip kits just look like this. These come with this sort of cardboard like outer packaging with a different sort of lip design all over it. आपकी exactly जो आपकी lip kit है वो बाहर आ जाती है. And this is the actual product जिस पे लिखा हुआ है Maybelline. और इसको जब आप ओपन करते हो तो आपको जो है मिलते हैं आपके दो कलर्स, जिसमें एक जो है आपका लिप कलर होता है और दूसरा जो है आपको बेसिकली एक लिप शैडो शेड मिलता है आपको हर एक पैलेट में. तो आपको जो है इस तरह से लिप किट मिलती है और काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है, काफ़ी अच्छे से क्लोज होती है. यू कैन सी क्लोजिंग साउंड भी आती है विच मेक्स इट वेरी वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. और इसके पीछे भी जो है इस तरह की काफ़ी सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मेंशन है. जो मैंने वेरिएंट परचेज किया है वो है 20 यानी कि वाइल्ड, और इस पे आउटर पैकेजिंग में भी यहाँ मेंशन है कि दिस इज 20 शेड, और जो इनके अंदर कलर मिलते हैं आपको वैसे ही कलर्स को यूज़ करके यहाँ डिज़ाइन मिलता है. सो दिस इज द पैकेजिंग. First is this fuchsia pink sort of color, and the second shade is golden shade, golden copperish shade. This is not proper gold, so let me just swatch it for you. First of all, these are very very creamy. This lip shadow is little bit powdery, but it is not completely powdery which will just fall out like that. But this color is definitely very very creamy and soft in texture. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade which you will be getting, and this is the amount of pigmentation. Regarding the pigmentation, guys, I'll tell you that you need to build up the pigmentation, because you are not getting any sort of brush with this kit. So you need to use your fingers only to get up the product. So in order to get the proper pigmentation onto your lips, you will definitely need to reapply 2 to 3 coats to get the proper pigmentation onto your lips. So this is the first application of this shade. Let me swatch the second shade as well. This is very soft and powdery in texture, and this is what it looks like. This is the golden bronzy sort of shade. Now this is something which you can even use for your eyeshadow, and even if you have deeper skin tone, then you can use it for your highlighting purpose also. This product retails for rupees 650. I find it very very expensive. The quantity you are getting with this lip kit is 2.7 grams, which I think is nothing special. Now let's just talk about the shade range of these lip kits. The one I have purchased, I have told you, this is 20 wild. Now this is one of the shade which is very very common, or was there, which was I think red shade with slightly pinkish lip shadow color. Only these two colors are the one which most of the people can buy here in India, because these are very very common colors. Apart from that, you are getting very very vibrant and bold colors in this range. I will be displaying the images and the variants which you are getting in this range. There are very very beautiful bold colors out there, like bluish color, green color, black, even black color, with very very unique names. So that is very good. If you are someone who loves to experiment with your lipsticks and your lip products, and you can carry bold looks, then you can definitely try the variants which are provided in this range, because these are very very bold. This is the golden shade which I have applied onto the outer corners, and in the middle section I have used that pink color, and this is the maximum pigmentation I was able to build. So you can see. Let me show you the image which is displayed. image displayed on this is definitely more vibrant, more bold, more pigmented, but onto your lips, you, after applying 3 to 4 layers of both of these shades, achieve using this lip kit. So I think this is a very big bummer according to me, because I just love pigmented lipsticks, and most of people will love to use pigmented lipsticks only. If you're paying 650 rupees, you expect to get that sort of pigmentation. But yeah, definitely these are very creamy, very comfortable onto your lips. But again, these are not smudge proof. These definitely transfer. I'll just show it to you. You can see these definitely transfer, but I am planning to purchase one of the bold color out of this range, and if I'll be purchasing it, I will definitely try a lip design with the help of that, and I will be posting my picture on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. So yeah, this was my short and sweet review about this product right here, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in my next video. So until next time we meet, this is me, Shweta, signing off. Bye bye. Mwah.